Hi friends, I'm Zoey. Last time, we sailed on Noah's big boat with all the animals. Today, our adventure takes us to a busy city where people wanted to build the tallest tower ever. Let's go see what happens. Wow, look at everyone working. They're making bricks, lifting them high, and saying, "Let's build a tower that reaches the sky." Can you stretch your arms up high like a tall tower? Whoa, you're so tall already. The people wanted to show how strong and clever they were, but they forgot something. They forgot about God. They said, "We don't need God. We can do this all by ourselves." Oh no, that made God very sad. So God had a plan to help them remember Him. He made everyone start speaking in different languages. Suddenly, no one understood each other. Can you say something silly like "Babble babble boo"? Ha ha! That's how it sounded in Babel. They couldn't keep building anymore. So everyone stopped and went to live in new places all over the world. And God smiled, because now people would remember they always need Him. Say with me, we need God every day, not just when things are hard, but always. Let's build together. 1, 2, 3. The people were a team. But they forgot God. When we work with God, that's the best kind of teamwork. Remember, God made you special, and He loves when we work together with kind hearts. Clap once if you know God loves you. Yay! And next time, we'll meet a very special man named Abraham, who followed God wherever he led.